For the House Armour and how to make one. So as you can see, I have one on. It's not supposed to look good. It's a sample, so you can see which parts are which. I'll post it later. And you have to make sure, to get an armor, you have to make sure that you are allied to the main group. As you can see, I have the icon over my head and I'm allied to the main group, the Regions group. So for it, you need to post this into your main description, but with these numbers here, it's always 3 digits. You can change the colors, and this makes the logo, this lion here, will be changed through this ID. Okay, so it looks complicated at first, but let me show you. So this is red, this is green, and this is blue, and this is the reflectance. It's basically the mixtures of which colors you want, so you get the color you want. First, I will start with the logo. So you have to select a picture, which has to be a PNG, as you can see, so there's no background in it, otherwise there's a box around it. So it needs to be transparent. Then go into Roblox, create, decals, select file, then you select it, then you name it whatever you want, doesn't matter, upload, then you press it, then go into the link, and you can see this number. Copy paste it, so then go to Roblox Studio, and you have to spawn in a part, make it bigger, or it doesn't matter. Then you press right click on it here in the Explorer, insert object, decal, and then texture. You press one side, then decal, texture, then you post ID in here. Enter, and it will load in. Okay, so basically what this has done, you need an image ID, not a decal, but you uploaded a decal. So you can go into here, into the texture, and there's a number. Copy this number. This is an image ID, not a decal ID. Just write it down into your layout, which I'll post. The X's here are just variables, so you can change them. I think it makes it clearer, so you know where you are currently. So now you want to choose the primary armor color. So here it's red, and you want to choose what color you are, and then according to it you can test in Roblox Studio what color you want. So you just choose it here, brick color, for example toothpaste now, and here you can see 0, 255, 255. So then it would be 0, 0, 0, 255, 255. For this I will make an armor for our Haller, so I'll make it red like this again. Basically, I looked what color I want before, and this is the color. So it's 90, 0, 0. So I type in 90, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, the reflectance is how shiny it is. As you can see here, the color here is darker than, for example, the green, because the green has higher reflectance. And you want this to be 0 if you want it really dark, and 10 to be if you want it really, really shiny. Basically, it's here you can reflectance, the highest is 1 and the darkest 0. And in the script it goes in steps. So 1 is 0.1 in here. and 5 is 0.5. Okay, so armor secondary is the blue part here. In this I want it to be golden, so I choose golden color. Here, gold. And you can see it's much brighter with higher reflectance. So you have to choose what you want. I will go for 0.1. So reflectance is 1, and you can see here 239. Just copy it. It's wrong. 239, 184, and 056. Okay, belt primary. That's the buckle. So the toothpaste color here. It's the buckle and these straps. So I wanted that to be golden too, but a brighter gold. So I use the same color again, but I will just make the reflectance higher. 184, 056. And for this I'll make the reflectance 2. That's better color for it, yeah. 2. Okay, belt secondary. You can see here, belt secondary, that's the forest green. So it's the leather part of the belt. I want that to be black. So I check again what color black is. 17, 17, 17, okay. And the darkest black, so reflectance 0. Zero, and 0, 17, 0, 17, 0, 17. Okay. Then leather primary, you check again in the sample. Leather primary is the lime green, so this and this. I want that to be dark gray, so I will just higher the reflectance on this. Oh. Yeah, I will go with reflectance 1. And 0, 0, 17 again. So 0, 17, 0, 17, 0, 17. Okay. Leather primary, you check again what color it is. This part. Okay. I want that to be golden again. So again you choose the color as it was before, 239. 239. 184. 056. Then reflectance, I'll make it 1. Leather third is this part, and I want that to be gray. So I'll just make it like the leather primary. And so it's 0, 17, 0, 17, 0, 17, and the reflectance is 1 again. K primary. K primary is this part, so the color of your cape. I want it to be the same as my primary, so I'll make it 0, 90, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and reflectance 0 again too. Okay, cape secondary, that are the buttons, which are pink here, and I want them to be golden. So as we saw before here, golden is 239, 184 056 and reflectance 1. Okay, the cape image. This is what we copied before. It's basically this, but there's letters in between because Roblox now tags big numbers, so you have to spam different letters in between so it doesn't get tagged. But the letters will be ignored. It doesn't matter which letters you will use. Just don't put numbers in. Okay, so I'll just use these numbers because I know that they won't get tagged. So just replace it. 4 8 1 7 6. Okay, so then you copy all of it and go to your group, configure, and put it in the description. Then you save it, and you should now have the armor on a new server. Let's check if it's new. Okay. Okay, you open your inventory again, and if you scroll down, you will see House Armour and then the name of your group afterwards. So the group is called Stormcross. So you equip it, and there we go. This is the armor. It's like we said, it's red. Then secondary is golden, brighter belt buckle, and then a black belt, strap gray. Yeah, that was a tutorial. Hope you have fun with your new armor.